Last class we had done some questions on the circles involving the areas. Okay, so 20th question A part I had done. Now see B part I am doing from exercise 20A. Because B is good question, then I'll take 21B part. So this is your mensuration. Twentieth question B part I am taking up. Here also a semicircle is drawn. Let me draw the figure for it first. In that semicircle, there is a right angle triangle. Okay. And then there is also one small curvature like a thing. This will join to C here, means this end. Let me join that properly. Now this weight is the proper one. Circle might not be very enthusiastic, but still. Then see, it is A. Then this part is D. This part is B. And here it is C. Dimensions also given. Now here area of the circle is given. Area of triangle ABC is given. This is 5 centimeter. That means the height is 5 centimeter. CDB is the triangle. Another triangle is ADC. And C for triangle ABC. So triangle ABC as a whole is a triangle. And what they have asked? Shaded region. What is the shaded region? Shaded region is this. So there are two right angle triangles because they have shown right angle. That's why I am saying it as a right angle only. There are two right angles in this, but there is basically one triangle in which we are knowing the height and area of that triangle is given. So area of triangle ABC. What is that? Is given the question also. 35 centimeter square. See, for this triangle, base is AB, height is 5 centimeter. So let's calculate base. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is AB. What is the height given? CD. According to question, half into, now AB value we are knowing, we are not knowing, but CD we are knowing. So AB is basically AB is the diameter of the circle that we will get. CD is 5 is equal to 35. This implies that AB equal to 35 into 2 by 5 centimeters. 5 7 is 35 and 7 2 is 14 centimeter. Clear to all? That means we have got here the diameter of the circle as 14 centimeter. You can write also. If you don't wish to write, no problem. It is 14 centimeter. It is complete. The diameter of the circle we have got. Now what remains? Now how to calculate the area of the shaded region? As I have told, area of shaded region will be what? Basically calculated by using what? The difference. So the difference concept will be used. So let's calculate the area of semicircle first. So right here, area of semicircle is equal to half into pi. R is so AB is the diameter. So half will be radius. So it will be 7 square centimeter square. That means here, see, in the triangle we will not be getting any pi, so we have to put the value of pi and get the answer in the number form. So half into pi is 22 by 7 into 7 is 49, 2 1 is 2, 2 11 is so 11 7 is 77 centimeter square. Now area of semicircle is known and area of this triangle is known. So write here what? So area of shaded region that will be equal to, now what will be the area of the shaded region? See here, the area of triangle is already given, but see, without calculating the area of this circle, we cannot go further, because from the area of circle only the area of triangle will remove and this shaded region will come, area of the shaded region, and area of triangle is already given. So from that we have got the AB, that is the AB is basically the base of the triangle. So base of triangle is known, that is the diameter of the semicircle. From the diameter we have got the formula for area of semicircle, that is half into pi r square, 14 centimeter. And see children, I feel that sometimes children get confused in 14 putting the area, because sometimes they want to use pi r square, sometimes half of pi r square, sometimes pi by 4d square. So these all things are coming. Okay, so R is, so pi by 4d square is also area of circle only. So because semicircle is involved here, so you need to know about this thing. So area of shaded region we got, it will be area of the circle minus area of the triangle. So 77 minus 35, that is weight was already centimeter square. 7 5 is 2, 7 3 is 4, 42 centimeter square. Let's check if we have got the same answer. 20th question B part. Yes, that is the answer. So nothing new in this question. Simple question. Again, expect it for a 3-mark question in the exam if it comes. I'm running out of now. Let us move to the next question. And I'll recommend that please don't go for those apps where they are giving the solutions like that only. Click the photo and give the solution. See, it is, had everything been very good there of apps only, then we did not need some other people. So lot of CBSE questions are there. So you will find questions, but try to work on your own. It's not that this pattern will continue always. So you need to solve things, or offline you need to require a lot of details and data. So coming up to question number 21, A part. So 21, A part. Now what is 21A part? 21A part says there is a quadrant drawn. Let me draw it first and then explain the question to you. Quadrant of a circle is drawn. Quadrant of a circle is drawn, and in that only there is a right angle triangle also. So there is a right angle triangle also. Let's name it A. This portion is C, they are calling. This is B, and this is O. In the given figure, AOCB or AOBC is a quadrant and radius is 10 centimeter. Radius, that means this will be 10. This also will be 10. Okay. O is the center, obviously. Calculate the area of shaded portion again. Now, area of triangle AOB is equal to what? Now see, area of triangle AOB is base and height are same, so it will be half into OB into OA, that is equal to half into 10 into 10 centimeter square. 100 by 2 is 50 centimeter square. Is that clear to all? Then what? Then calculate the area of the quadrant. So area of quadrant. They have given the name of the quadrant. Let's name it like that only. AOBC. AOBC. Now quadrant means quarter of a circle, so 1 by 4 into pi, and what is R here? Now the radius is 10 only. So 10 square centimeter square. Now see, the question is itself telling us to take the value. What is the value of pi they are intending us to take? It is 3.14. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100 centimeter square, which is equal to 314 upon 4 centimeter square. So 4 8s are 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 7 are 28, and again 29, 30, 31. So 4 8s are 32, 4 7 28, 29 31, and 4 is 32, and 2 4 is 20. So 78.5 centimeter square is that. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to how much? So 78.5 minus 50 centimeter square, that means 0.5, 8 minus 0 is 8, 7 5 is 2, 28.5 centimeter square. This should be the answer. And see, they have said one more thing in the question. Correct to two significant figures. That means you will round it off. It will be 29 centimeter square. More than 5 is, we will be rounding off, so it will be 29 centimeter square. That will be the answer here. So what have we done in this question is that there is a quadrant. See here, I am not showing the shaded portion. What is the shaded portion? This is the shaded portion. Okay, the shaded portion is there. So this is shaded portion is basically the whole of the figure is a quadrant, and from that quadrant we are taking out a right angle triangle. So that area of right angle triangle we are removing, and then we will get the area of the shaded portion. So area of quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square. The question is saying that take the value of pi as 3.14. So we are taking the value of pi as 3.14, and 3.14 we very good. You got 78.5. So see here, don't round off here only, because they said calculate the area correct to two significant figures. So in that way, you will get the answer as 28.5 only, and 28.5 will round off. That answer will be 29. It wasn't a difficult question, and I don't think so it is centimeter, it is in meters. Meter only. Everywhere meter is there, so should not write in centimeter. So meter square only. Because generally question is giving the values in meter square. So everywhere answer should be meter square. Okay.